So what is square root of a times square root of b?
Square root of AB.
So a and b are multiplied inside the square root. Similarly, can I say square root of a times b is, if I want to split this, can I write like this?
Yeah.
So that is the concept. Let's say same square root of a divided by square root of b. This will be
It would be square root of AB over B.
basically the thing is we can combine the square root like this. From here we can say that if you rationalize this will be ab upon b like this. So the concept is when two individual square roots are there, we can just combine them like this.
Okay.
From there, if you want to rationalize, you can rationalize. That is fine. But the main concept is like this. So square root of a upon b can be written as
A square root of square root it will be square root of AB over B.
that will be fine. But if I want to split that square root
Square root of A is over square root of B.
like this. So let's say if I ask you square root of 9 over 60, the answer is
3 over 4.
yeah. Basically like this, right?
Yeah. But see, you can't have a radical in the denominator, right?
Yeah. I mean, that is the next step. But the main concept is to understand that it comes from this.
Yes. Okay.
Just like how we did here. If you try to rationalize here only, it will be 9 times 16 upon 16 like this. But it will be a bit long. Correct?
Yeah.
The main concept is this. We can split this into square root.
What?
So those are the two formulas. And the thing is, what do you understand by square root of a? It is a to the power what exactly?
Huh?
Square root of a means a to the power how much?
Square root of A is A squared. A to the power of 2.
It's not 2.
4?
No.
Oh. A squared. Oh.
1 upon 2. If I write like this is
3 on B 3A 1/2.
no. It is cube root of 3. 1 upon 3.
Oh.
For square root, we don't write this 2 like this. We omit that. It is the same thing. And tell me the formula for a power m times a power n. Do you know?
A times A to the power of mn.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
It's not like that.
Oh, m times n. Oh.
A to the power l whole to the power m. This will be
A to the power of mn.
m. So basically, the thing is, what do you understand by a to the power n? How many times a is being multiplied?
On it twice.
A to the power m means what?
Again, all
That's also
he
see. A square means what? A times?
no 8 times A.
A cube means?
8 times A times A.
A4 means how many A's?
8 times 8, 8 times 8, 4.
4. Let's say if I say a power m, how many a's? So on. How many a's we do get?
So and infinite.
M.
Yeah.
See, 2 means 2 a's. 3 means 3 a's. 4 means 4 a's. Are you listening?
Yep.
M means how many m? How many a's?
To the like m times m on one.
So if I multiply this bunch with, let's say, n a's, in total how many a's will be there?
N times f n plus f.
M plus n. So a power m times a power n is
8 times a to the power of n plus m.
m plus n. Fine. And a to the power m whole power n is this. Let's say a to the power 3 square root. This will be
Anyways, a to the power of 2 plus 1, 2.
see a to the power square root means half. Now what?
uh 1/2. So a and 1.1 and 1/2.
Become this.
A to the power of 3 times 1/2.
Which is 3 over 2. Now 3 over 2 fraction is 1 plus
Is 1 plus 1/2.
so it's like a to the power 1 plus 1 half. So a power m plus n is a power m times
Huh?
c is a power m plus m
Mm-hmm.
is like this.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the process. So let's say 49 a square b to the power 5. This will be equal to
49, so 7 a. So 70, I mean, no, 7 a b to the power of 4 plus
Hmm?
b to the power of 4 times b.
see, inside the square root it is b to the power 4 times b.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to get rid of this square root.
Yeah.
B power 4 becomes what?
b over b star, you can square root that, so b squared
Square times
yeah, b
is it b?
b over 1, b to power of 1, b square root of b.
B to the power 1 by 2, which is nothing but square root of b. So that is. So now let's jump on to the questions. So till where? Did you already do that?
No, she gave this to us at the end of class. No one started. I didn't start.
So let's start with the odd ones then.
Yeah, okay.
First one. Negative square root 48. Answer is
So you try finding a perfect square. Which would be okay.
how much?
Could you do 4 and 12?
12 fours are.
Yeah.
So it will be
So 2 2 to the negative 2 square root of 12.
square root of 12. Can you delete?
Oh, yeah. 12 you can simplify to 4 and 3. So negative 4 to the power as the square root of 3.
The thing is, for the numericals, try to do prime factorization method.
Okay.
What? 4 times 3 to the power 1. 16 times 3. Come to the keyboard.
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
So it's like take this LCM 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So 2 to the power
To the power of 4.
points.
3 to the power of 1.
So negative square root of 48, correct?
Yeah.
Is nothing but negative square root of 2 fours 3 1. So it's like this. We split the square root.
Okay.
This will be negative 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So negative 4 root 3. Simple.
Yeah.
So prime factorization.
Okay. I mean, like,
Press the number into prime factors like that. This is valid for inside radical only. No need to do prime factorization for outside radical. So what about third one?
negative 4 square root 2.
Square root put down. Fifth one,
And then the side. 50. So that could be 25 and 2. 25 is 5. Negative 15 and to the power of 2.
negative 15,
To the power of 2. I mean, not power of 2. Radical 2.
square root of 2.
Yeah.
Next, 48, right?
Yeah.
48, we already done that. How much was
Yeah.
square root of 48?
It was negative 4's power of 3.
Square root of 3.
Oh, yeah. With square root of 3. Then 16 to the square root of 3.
Good. Next,
Negative 8. Negative 8. Times 200. It's this radical 294 x to the power of 4. And y. So, what? So 294. You could do 294.
209.
But
Do prime factor.
you could, yeah. So 2 2 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 1, and 7 squared, right? Or when I need.
So 6. Yeah. 2 times 3 times 7 square.
Yeah.
So the answer is
Answer is -2 square root of 2 plus square root of 10 over 10.
denominator is
And
A. Okay, say that again. How much?
-2 squared, not squared, square root of 2 plus square root of 10 over 10.
Is it 10 or is it 20?
I got 10. 20.
Okay, -2 plus square root of 10.
No, -2 square root of 2 plus.
Positive root 2 plus root 10 upon
Yeah.
m.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, can you simplify the -2 and the 10 or no?
The thing is, one thing is a radical, the other is not a radical.
Right,
They are
that
not
they both are.
terms.
Aren't they both called
The answer was
negative root 2, -2 root 2 plus root 10 over 10.
like this, right?
Yeah.
So your question was
Can you simplify 2 and the 10?
this one and this
No, not. No. -2 and the denominator.
then this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, for that, you see the numerator, there are two terms, two things. If you want to separate the denominator, you have to split them like this. You have to split them individual. So this will be like this, and the other one was root 10. Now this one you can simplify. This is as it is.
Oh, gosh. Yeah.
Right? It's like a plus b upon c is a by c plus
B.
b by c. You can split this denominator into two things separately.
Why I said.
Fine. So next one.
Is 23 -9 just root 5?
Negative 9 times square root of 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for these things, you can add them together. Root 5, root 5, root 5. You can add the numerical coefficients. Next, scroll a bit up.
On.
Scroll. Yeah, now this thing. So the answer is, can you directly tell me here?
25.
Yeah, 25th answer.
Negative. Negative 8 root 2.
Good. Negative 8 root 2. You understand why, right? Negative 3, negative 2, negative 2. So negative 8. Next. Mm-hmm.
8 root 6. Fine.
8 root 6 or? It's not 8 root 6.
Huh?
Yeah, 8 root 6. Cos to 8
Eight.
times square root of 6. Total answer. Yeah. Next.
Oh. Root 10 over 2.
Yeah. If you notice carefully, numerator is root 4. What is root 4 actually?
Like 2.
Just 2. In the denominator, there is also 2. So 2 and 2 gets a numerator. So the answer is 5 upon root 10. Basically, if you simplify root 10 upon 2.
Right.
Rationalize the denominator. Yeah. What is the answer? Next one.
What do you want? 4 root 15 over 3.
Yeah. Over 3. Yeah.
3.
Okay. Next.
Two root 5. Wait, no.
అది నేను తాగుతా.
Uh, 4 root 5 over 5.
Yeah. 4 root 5 over 5. Next.
0, right?
Hmm?
0.
Yeah. 0. Next.
X plus or minus 2.
Good. Plus or minus 2.
Mhm. x is equal to plus or minus root negative 16 over 5.
Yeah. What can you do with 16?
Oh, so 4 over root 5.
Less or minus?
X is equal to plus or minus negative 4 over root 5.
See, plus or minus 4. Square root negative 1.
Then what happens to the 5?
Yeah, upon that is also there. But regarding negative 1, it will be inside the square root. It will not come outside.
Oh,
So plus or minus 4 times square root of negative 1 divided by square root of 5.
oh, okay.
Only 16 comes outside.
Oh, okay.
Negative 1 is not a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. So that's why 16 comes out.
Headache says that say
X is equal to plus or minus root 61.
61.
Yeah.